In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with breakpoints in Wix Studio. Whether you're building a brand new website or refining an existing one, understanding breakpoints is critical to creating a responsive and user-friendly design. Breakpoints allow you to tailor your website's layout to different screen sizes, ensuring that it looks great, whether it's viewed on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to adjust and work with breakpoints so your website shines across all devices. Let's dive in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix Studio account. Head over to the Wix homepage, and in the top right corner, you'll see the Login button. Click on it to proceed. If your Wix account is linked to Google, you can streamline this process by selecting the Continue with Google option. It's a quick and convenient way to access your account without having to type in your credentials manually. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where all of your projects are displayed, so take a moment to locate the project you want to work on. Now, let's focus on the canvas where all the magic happens. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice an icon that allows you to manipulate the canvas size. This is an essential tool when working with breakpoints because it helps you preview how your website will look on different devices. To resize your view, simply click and drag this icon. As you do this, you'll notice that the display dynamically adjusts, giving you a real-time preview of how your site responds to different screen sizes. This is a great way to identify any areas that might need tweaking to ensure a seamless user experience. Next, shift your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the default width setting, which is typically set at 1280 pixels. This serves as a starting point for your design. To target a specific device or breakpoint, click on this default pixel width value. This will allow you to manually enter a new width that corresponds to the device you're optimizing for. For example, if you're designing for a tablet, you might choose a width of around 768 pixels. Once you've entered your desired pixel value, click Apply. This confirms your changes and adjusts the layout of your website accordingly. You'll see your canvas update to reflect the new width, giving you a clear view of how your design will appear on that specific screen size. It's a simple yet powerful way to maintain control over the responsiveness of your site. To ensure your website is fully optimized, repeat this process for other screen sizes. Test different pixel widths to see how your design adapts to a variety of devices. This step is crucial because it allows you to identify and resolve any issues before your site goes live. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless experience for your visitors no matter what device they're using. And that's it. By following these steps, you now have the tools to work with breakpoints in Wix Studio effectively with a little practice. You'll be able to create stunning, responsive designs that look fantastic on screens of all sizes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.